guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is so exciting. So today I thought that I would do a little bit of a beauty Q&A and just kind of like go through all the questions that I asked you guys on Instagram for while I'm doing my beauty routine. So it's kind of like a get ready with me beauty Q&A. You know what I mean? It'll be fun. I'm excited. In order for this video not to be 40 minutes long, I'm gonna just list everything that I'm using down below in the description box, so that I don't have to keep stopping and telling you guys exactly step by step what I'm using. Let's get started. Oh, and my drink of the day. I'm gonna be really boring today, and I'm just drinking an oat milk iced latte because we got this new Nespresso machine and it's freaking bomb. And this is already my second coffee today, so if I start shaking in the video, you know why. But I just can't stop. It's so good. Okay, so let's go. Just jumping right into the first question. What products do you generally use for skincare, and what is your skincare routine AM and PM? It's really funny because skincare is the #1 question that I got. Honestly, I'm honored, first of all, that you guys think I have such good skin to ask me all these questions, but I have a pretty skincare routine. Like, my skincare routine in the morning is splashing my face with water. The only thing is that I use like a Clinique moisturizer before I do my makeup, but that's about it. And then my skincare routine for the nighttime is more in depth. I use this really amazing trio, and I bought all these products from Sephora, and I'll link them down below as well. But as you know, I have really, or some of you may know if you've followed me for a while, I have really dry, sensitive skin, and I get eczema a lot, especially in the winter time. So before I was using Murad, which I still use sometimes if my skin is super oily, but I noticed my skin getting dry all the time, but also breaking out. This has been doing wonders for me. So I just wash my face, sometimes do a mask, then use the toner and the moisturizer, and it's amazing. Also, let me just mention that makeup does wonders. You guys just saw my skin with no makeup on. All I had was a little bit of primer and moisturizer on, but someone please let me know if this is happening to you too. Like, my skin is generally pretty good, and during quarantine it's gotten worse. Like, I've been breaking out down on my chin and like just like random pimples everywhere, and I'm literally putting on half as much makeup that I normally do. I don't know what's happening with me. Maybe it's my eating. Maybe it's my eating habits, huh? Oh, that sucks. Anyways, next question. Favorite brand for concealer under eye coverage? I'm actually using it right now. I love the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I've used this for years, and honestly, I haven't really switched out of it just because I think that it's the perfect amount of coverage. It's definitely buildable if you want a super full coverage, but aside from this, I think that getting rid of your under eye bags, you just gotta get a full coverage concealer and just make sure you bake so that you don't get so creasy. When I put my concealer on, I also bring the concealer up onto my eyelids so that I have a nice base for my eyeshadow. Favorite shampoo and conditioner. So my favorite shampoo and conditioner is the OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner. I recently started using this and I love it. You can buy it at the drugstore. Like, I get mine at Target because they sell the big ones, but CVS smells okay. I have color in my hair, so it's nice because it doesn't have any, what's the word I'm looking for? Oh, sulfates. It's sulfate free. So my amazing hairstylist, also my cousin, told me to use a sulfate free shampoo and conditioner, and so I've been using that one ever since, and I love it. Now I'm gonna bake. Bake. How many times a week do you wash your hair? So I actually wash my hair every other day. That's it. There's no secret. Let's get the oiliness out. Get it out. Something you'll learn really quickly is that I'm actually a weirdo. And I'm not afraid to admit it. It is what it is, and I am who I am. Okay, next question. What is your favorite step in your makeup routine? We're doing it now. I love doing my brows. And I know that's so weird, but I mean, is it weird? I don't know. I just feel like doing my brows changes my entire face. Another question. I want to see a brow tutorial, someone asked. Let's do it right now. Okay, ready? There, did you catch that? Okay, so in all honesty, I would love to do a brow tutorial for you guys. Just can't be in this video because it just takes way too much time. But if you don't want to wait, I actually already have a brow tutorial on my IGTV right now. So if you want to go check it out, it's S-A-H D'Souza with no H at the end. I mean, no A at the end. I'll link that right here for you guys. So if you want to go check out a brow and eyeliner tutorial, it's up right now on my IGTV. Next question. What do you use for your eyeliner? Okay. For my eyeliner, I use the 12-Hour Infallible, the Supreme Slim Liquid Felt Tip Eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris. That is a mouthful. I always use drugstore eyeliner. I love L'Oreal. I've been using them for so long. Like, I've used multiple of their liquid eyeliners and they just work so good. So I would recommend that. Okay, another question. I'm allergic to wax. I know who sent this to me, so it just makes it funny. Like, I'm not laughing at you, but you know who you are. I'm allergic to wax. I need my beard gone. Help. First of all, you don't have a beard. You're not a man. I don't know. I'm not an esthetician, so I don't know like the perfect answer to this question. I think that I've done like a little bit of research, and I think that, have you heard of that honey sugar wax? I feel like that's super like natural and that could work really well for you. But you know what we're gonna do? Let's phone a friend. Okay, so we're FaceTiming one of my longtime friends, Janisa. And I'll tag her Instagram right here too because she's so amazing. She does makeup and she knows so much about makeup and skincare and all of that stuff. So definitely check her out. Come on, man. If she calls me back though, I'll answer your question. Yeah, so I just wanted to come on here real quickly after I filmed this video just because Janisa finally responded to me and she said hard wax because strips give most people reactions. So just wanted to let you guys know. Thank you, Janisa, for replying to me. Okay, going to the fun part, eyeshadow. Let's freaking go. For this, I'm gonna use two palettes. This Kylie palette, which is the bronze palette, and it has really beautiful oranges and bronzes in there. And then I'm also going to use this Tartelette in Bloom palette. And I thought this would be a great palette to start with on my channel because I feel like so many people have this palette. And this is gonna also have like nice bronzes and like lighter pinks and stuff. Okay, while I do my eyeshadow, let's move on to the next question. Do you have any self-tanners or body bronzers you recommend? Yes, I do. So I've been using the Saint Tropez body bronzer. I think I just used the original one, and just the color works nicely on my skin, especially in the wintertime when I'm super, super white. So I would definitely recommend that one, but they do have darker shades too if your skin tone is a little bit darker. As for body foundations though, this product actually saved me. When I competed for Miss Massachusetts in January, I used the KKW Beauty body bronzer. I think that's what it's called, or body foundation. And let me tell you, this girl knows what she's doing. I used it so that I could have a nice even skin tone because I get these like weird veins all over my body. I don't know what it is. It doesn't matter how dark or tan I get in the summertime. I continuously have this veining on my legs mostly, like my thighs and my chest. And so I used that to try to clear it up, and that stuff worked. Like, worked so freaking good. So I would highly recommend that. Let's move on to the next question, shall we? Do you consume any vitamins and which? My mom wouldn't be so happy with me, but as I've gotten older, I've kind of gotten lazy. Yes, I consume vitamins, but I literally just do like a women's multivitamin. But also, since we're in the middle of a pandemic, I've been trying to be like a little bit better. I can't do a cut crease and talk at the same time, I guess. But I've been trying to take these ginger and turmeric shots, and I know you can make them at home, but we're really lazy around here, and so we buy them. We buy ours from Trader Joe's, and they're actually not bad, and it's good for your digestive health, and it's good for your immune system. Okay, so I've cut my crease. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. Okay, so I'm gonna actually take one of these shiny colors. So I'm gonna use Funny Girl from the Tartelette palette and go on the inners of my eyelids. Is that a word? Inners of my eyelids? Ooh, girl. So pretty. And then we're just gonna blend that together. And I've been using Smarty Pants from the Tartelette palette as my transition shade, and also like the bright orange from the Kylie palette. And then I'm also gonna take the orange from the Kylie palette. I've been using this bright one. It's just so pretty and pigmented. I'm gonna use that under my waterline. And then lastly, I'm gonna take Rebel again from the Tartelette palette. This one right here. And I'm gonna use that to connect my bottom waterline to the wing that I created. This creamy eyeliner is really gonna help my eyes pop out. And I'm gonna do this off camera because I have no idea how to do this with only one hand. Okay, highlighter. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some more highlighter to the inner corners of my eyes. And let's do another question too while I'm highlighting. Do you have a preference on drugstore brands or high-end brands? That's actually a good question. I love a good mix of both, and you'll see that throughout this video. Then I also got requests for an eyeliner tutorial, but that is also on my IGTV. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner off camera. Penelope, this dog will not stop snoring. I think we're gonna leave it at that and move on to the next question. My dog just looked at me like, what was that? Make a video or something about how to put eyelash extensions. By eyelash extensions, I feel like you mean falsies, or like these. I don't really have any specific way to do it. I feel like a lot of people use tweezers and that really helps, but I don't. I just do it with my fingers and I feel like it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some black eyelash glue on my lashes. You can use clear, but I use black just because I like that it dries dark, because I 99.9% of the time use black eyeliner, so this just works for me. I think, oh my god guys, I didn't put mascara on. Okay, I'm gonna quickly put mascara on this eye. Oh my gosh. Okay, now that my falsies are on, I'm gonna go ahead and just put mascara on my bottom lash line. So I'm just gonna move ahead to my highlighter. Also, while I'm doing this, I just wanted to say thank you guys for all the questions, because genuinely I thought I was gonna have to like make some questions up during this video, because I thought that maybe only like 3 people would reply. I thought that only like 3 people would reply to my Instagram story, but you guys freaking came through and I appreciate you for that. One thing I just realized is that I didn't contour my nose, so I'm gonna do that real quickly. While I do this, let's answer another question. How are you such a babe? I think it's a beauty related question. First of all, you're a babe, and also I think it has to do with my personal trainer. Wink wink. She's bomb.com. She also has some amazing stuff online on her Instagram page of workouts that you can do at home, and I've been doing them and I legit sweat while I do them, guys. So next question, who is your biggest makeup inspiration? Celebrity wise, I'm gonna have to say Rihanna. You know, Fenty is just such a big success and she has kind of like revolutionized the industry with that. It's not like, oh, she's a celebrity and that's why her makeup line did so well. It's like, no, it's actually incredible products and it just helps that she's a friggin' badass, you know? Then last question is lip liner you use. So I'm gonna use it right now, actually. My favorite lip liners are from Milani. They're so amazing, they're so pigmented. I use 03 and 04, and I have a couple of their other ones as well, but it just is so smooth, it works so well on your lips. So I'm gonna apply that right now. Now that I have that applied, I'm gonna go in with Velvet Teddy from MAC. And then a little trick I like to do is to take my foundation, put a little bit on a thin brush, and use that to outline my lips, because I feel like it helps a lot if you overline your lips to go over it with this, and it just perfects it and it makes it look even better. I don't know how to describe it. I feel like a lot of people do this with concealer, but I don't really conceal around my mouth, so I feel like foundation just blends in better. And then to finish off this look, I don't want to use a super heavy gloss, so I'm going to take this Birthday Bomb.com from Glossier and just top my lips off with that. It's amazing because it has like just like a slight shimmer to it. Perfect. Set our face. Yeah. Lastly, I feel like this slicked back hair, like spicy mommy look, I just have to put these Hoochie Mama earrings on. I just have to. Like, obviously. The look is not complete without them. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video beauty Q&A. I hope that you were able to kind of follow along what I was doing, but I'm definitely going to do a more like in-depth makeup tutorial later on. I just thought that it would be fun to like kind of answer some of your questions while I was doing this, so that it could kind of be more of like a chit chat, and I thought it would be a good idea for one of my first videos. Please comment, like, subscribe, whatever you gotta do. Again, check out some of my tutorials on IGTV if you need some help with the eyeliner or eyebrows. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Happy quarantining.